डीओ साहब देखिए, आपका ये फॉर्मेट ही 2000 में छपा है, 1974 की मार्कशीट इशू हो रही है।
जी सर।
So direct some inquiry, you conduct inquiry whether it was wrongfully entered, because it's not a case of correction, it's a case of rectification of mistake. He gives class 5th mark sheet, he gives a Janam Patri,
My humble submission.
and then subsequently he says that no, I am having a second horoscope. 10th mark sheet में अगर कोई और डेट ऑफ बर्थ है तो फिर वो मान्य होगी.
Yes.
But if there is no other basis and this is the Dakla register, it is further contended that the mark sheet annexure P4 appears to be a duplicate mark sheet issued at a later date.
Lordship, in this case, Lordship has summoned the district education officer to explain annexure P4 as to how this mark sheet has been issued.
हाँ डीओ साहब देखिए, आपका ये फॉर्मेट ही 2000 में छपा है, 1974 की मार्कशीट इशू हो रही है।
जी सर। सर जी डुप्लीकेट जारी हुई है, लिखा नहीं है उसके ऊपर, क्योंकि ये 74 का मैटर है।
हाँ
इसका रिजल्ट शीट नहीं मिला है सर
जी,
रिजल्ट शीट नहीं मिली है कल।
हाँ
कल क्योंकि अवकाश था स्कूल में।
रिजल्ट शीट नहीं मिली है।
जी सर, एचएम ने लिख के दिया है कि उनको नहीं दी गई चार्ज में। क्लास 2 का मैटर है सर जी।
नहीं तो अगर रिजल्ट शीट नहीं मिली तो डुप्लीकेट इशू कैसे हो गई?
जी सर वही तो, कल क्योंकि पूरा रिकॉर्ड नहीं देख पाए सर, मैडम को और समय।
इनका ये कहना है कल छुट्टी थी, इस कारण से ये स्कूल खुलवाया इन्होंने, लेकिन पूरा स्टाफ नहीं आया था और हेडमास्टर थे वहां पे, उन्होंने बताया कि ये रिकॉर्ड उनके पास अवेलेबल नहीं है कि ये किस प्रकार से इशू हुई। इनके पास केवल आज जो लेके आए हैं ये दाखिल खारिज रजिस्टर लेके आए हैं। दाखिल खारिज रजिस्टर में तो सर डेट ऑफ बर्थ इस व्यक्ति की 4/8/66 लिखी हुई है, जो इस मार्कशीट में लिखी है।
बताइए कब का है दाखिल खारिज?
ये दाखिल खारिज कब का है?
जी सर,
ये 72 का है सर। ये फ्लैट
क्या नाम है इनका? बाबूलाल।
बाबूलाल नाम। और ये तीसरी तक पढ़ा है।
गुल प्रसाद।
गुल प्रसाद प्रजापति,
सॉरी
गुल्लू प्रसाद।
गुल प्रसाद। गुल
स्टेट के हिसाब से ये एम्प्लॉयर के हिसाब से कितनी है?
स्टेट के हिसाब से सर सर्विस बुक इनने लगाया हुआ है, उसमें लिखा है 15/11/1963 एट पेज नंबर 10 P2
10 माइनर अनेक्जर P2 माइनर।
Where is the retirement order? File Dakla register.
There is no order as such, Lordship. He's saying that in November 2025, as per the date of birth mentioned in the service book, he will be retired in November 2025.
So we'll direct some inquiry. You conduct inquiry whether it was wrongfully entered, because it's not a case of correction. It's a case of rectification of mistake.
Lordship, he was very well aware that his date of birth is mentioned as 15/11/1963.
Clause 84 of your
And at the
pass modification of date of birth, but rectification of mistake is never barred. You suppose he had given some document, he gives class 5th mark sheet, he gives a Janam Patri,
my humble submission,
and then subsequently he says that no, I am having a second horoscope, then he cannot get it changed.
my humble submission, he ought to have submitted all these things much prior, Lordship. At the fact, and now he is going to retire in next month, and he is agitating his grievance at this stage, Lordship.
Mr. Singh, once this old record is there, original record is there, how it can be ignored? So the authority will look into it.
Yes,
that on what basis it recorded this date of birth.
Yes,
And if there is no other basis, then they will look into this Dakla register.
Lordship.
If there is some other just and reasoned basis, then this is very, very well and good. Suppose he has this date of birth in class 10th mark sheet. Then the matter ends.
Because it's a class class 2 mark sheet.
Class 10th mark sheet में अगर कोई और date of birth है तो फिर वो मान्य होगी.
Yes,
But if there is no other basis and this is the Dakla register,
yes, Lord. And that too 30 years, more than 30 years old.
और डीओ सब लेकर आए हैं इसको, सेंसिटिविटी और बढ़ जाती है इसकी.
जी,
30 नहीं 50 साल, 51 साल पुराना है.
51 साल।
चलिए इसमें लिखिए, by your present petition, the petitioner is aggrieved by the anticipated action. नहीं, इसमें सबसे ऊपर लिखिए, in terms of order dated 6/10/2025, श्री, आपका शुभ नाम क्या?
राजकुमार बधान।
राजकुमार बघेल।
बधान, BHN बधान।
श्री राजकुमार प्रधान, डिस्ट्रिक्ट एजुकेशन ऑफिसर जबलपुर,
इंचार्ज
डिस्ट्रिक्ट एजुकेशन ऑफिसर इंचार्ज जबलपुर, is personally present. Point. He is.
नाम लिख दीजिए अपना।
He stated that upon verification of the available record in the school, he could get hold of scholar register of the school in original prepared in July 1972, and as per entry number 624 in the said original scholar register, the name of petitioner is mentioned with date of birth 4/8/1966. That matches with the certificate issued by the institution by annexure P5. So also the date of birth mentioned in the mark sheet annexure P4 point. It is further contended that the mark sheet annexure P4 appears to be a duplicate mark sheet issued at a later date, though it appears that erroneously the word duplicate, inverted comma लिखिए duplicate, has not been written, has not been superscribed on the said mark sheet. Point. However, due to paucity of time, the relevant record backing the said mark sheet could not be traced out by him, but the scholar register could be traced out, and in the scholar register, the date of birth has been mentioned as 4/8/1966. Next. The submission of the district education officer is taken on record, and original scholar register is produced. Next. The petitioner is agreed by, produced and returned back to Shri Pradhan. Next. The petitioner is agreed by the anticipated action of the respondents in retiring him on 30/11/2025, holding his date of birth to be 15/11/1963. Point. It is the grievance of the petitioner that there is no just or rational basis for mentioning his date of birth in the service book. किस पोस्ट पर हैं आप? किस पोस्ट पर हैं?
लेबर
Since the petitioner
अनस्किल्ड लेबर
is a unskilled laborer, due to lack of awareness, he has now come to know that he is being retired on 30/11/2025 on the basis of date of birth recorded in the service book as 15/11/1963. That does not have any basis at all. Next, the counsel for the state in his turn submits that it is settled in law that date of birth cannot be corrected at the fag end of service of the employee, and date of birth once recorded and accepted by the competent authority becomes final, and the law in that regard is well settled. Point. Next up, upon hearing the rival parties, it is not in dispute that a date of birth once recorded and accepted by the competent authority in the service book becomes final and cannot later on be challenged by seeking its correction, by seeking its modification, that too at fag end of service. Point. However, rectification of mistake is always possible, and if the date of birth has been erroneously recorded by the competent authority and the employee comes to know of error committed by the competent authority, then the employee can always point out to the said error, and there would be no limitation for rectification of error. Next, from the scholar register, it appears that the date of birth of petitioner as recorded in the educational institution is 4/8/1966. Point. If the date of birth recorded in service book, that is 15/11/1963, has any just or rational basis, then it would be a different matter. But if the said date of birth has been recorded only on the basis of estimation by the competent authority, then if there is a substantive document in favor of the petitioner, which is a recognized document of establishing date of birth, that is, i.e., the scholar register, that too of a government school and prepared in the year 1972, and original being still available in the school from then, if there is no other basis of recording of date of birth in the service book from then, the scholar register has to be given due weightage. Point. Next, consequently, the respondent number 3
3 and 4. 4.
3 ही करेंगे डिवीजन लेवल पर. Respondent number 3 is directed to cause the inquiry that on what basis the date of birth was recorded in service book as 15/11/1963. Point. If there is no, if the said date of birth was recorded on the basis of estimation and without any documentary proof, the date of birth recorded in the scholar register would be given due weightage and accepted by the said authority. Next, let the respondent number 3 cause inquiry into the opposite aspect within 30 days from production of copy of this order and intimate outcome to the petitioner. Next, needless to say that if the respondent number 3 decides against the petitioner would be at liberty to take recourse to legal remedies. We have quoted directions, the petition is dismissed.